Yeah, it's your boy Drizzy GTS on the beat, you know what I'm saying? Going in once again. They know about you, man. Yeah, it's your boy, man. 2012 in the motherfucking building. Yeah, with the mind and the muscle, homie. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I know you watching me, Grandma. You'll be proud of me one day. You'll be proud of me one day. Yeah, old man soul, niggas lay down and understand that a real nigga play around with nothing but fire. I tried to test the game, but the game tested me, and I got burnt by the flame. Real nigga all day, never been a fall away. Niggas try to talk to me, bitch, I never call back. Brawl when I have to, bitch, I'm like Matthew, killing these niggas because I have to. 2012 in the building is resilient. I done killed these niggas cause my mind is so brilliant. Handle that flow like a motherfucking spoon. And these niggas trying me, I'm the elephant in the room. And no Cavassier, you kick it cause you have to. I ain't worried about the bullshit that you after. Yeah, change the chapter, close curtains for certain, and keep them niggas working and walking because they talking belligerent. Hater guy, I ain't gotta worry about it cause I'm so fly. Niggas worried about nothing but the birds in the sky, but the birds in the sky. I handle my dough, I handle my business. These niggas better shut the hell up and listen. I'm doing my thing, I'm doing my thing. I'm staying on my grind, I'm staying on my grind, yeah. Better fall back, man, I'm too tall. These niggas looking at me now, man, that's all. That's all you saw when I do it, man, you just dissolve. Now that's the same thing, niggas, shout it problem solved. Real niggas recognized on a daily basis. Y'all niggas looking at me crazy cause I got these bases. And no adjacent in my basement cause the mind is where I find, and then I shoot up straight like my spine. You ain't get that and kick rocks, nigga, and deliver. Y'all niggas on some bullshit, real sucker niggas. I always been a real nigga since day one. I ain't never been a lame, I ain't never tried to run, nigga. And you can find me Whitewater, where my niggas at. I know Tavares Snow that this nigga can spit. And if I had the talent to do it the way that I was doing it before, I wouldn't even knock on the door. I'm a real live nigga, man, I'm doing my thing. Let y'all niggas know, shout out, I don't need no chain. Only thing that I need is a Bible with God, and everything is bullshit, it falls apart, yeah. Yeah, 2012 in the motherfucking building. You already know I keep it. I ain't worried about it, I rebuild it. Yeah, it's the same old flow though. Nigga talking bullshit, got the fofo. Aiming at your head, no revolving dough. Don't try me, I leave it dead red like the rose. You ain't get that, you better get back. I spit the true facts, them hoes holler back. They know what time it is, and so does my girl. And everything, plus everything is a whole world. Listen to the side, it's just a new way. Y'all niggas participating in them the old J's. I'm in the old ways, I do it always. Never revolve around the bullshit, no way. Now cut the check, man, respect is what you giving. And you living positive thoughts, man, you ain't tripping. I'm in sipping, flipping the coin, bitches. You niggas don't wanna talk with the coin and get destroyed. Oh boy, real nigga, not a decoy. I do it all day, I do it always. Drizzy GTS the best without a vest, and I can care less what you say, cause if there's money then you better invest.